Oh man. Why are you watching this? Welcome to Life on the Moose. If you've been here before, welcome back. Who wants to put a ceiling in today? That's what I thought. Come on, I'll show you what I'm going to do. There it is. Nice fresh stack of blue pine shiplap. Check it out. Loaded with character and color. Oh man. There's some blues in there, some pinks in there. Yeah, that's going to look great. This is 8 inches wide. It's the same stuff I put on the Ridge cabin. We tried to do something different. We just liked this stuff so much. So we decided, what the heck? Let's just do this again. It looks so good. Why not? Look at that color. Holy cow. So those are 8 feet long each. This building in the inside is just under 15 feet. So I'll stagger my seams. Obviously, the first one will be right in the middle. Then the next one, I'll put the whole 8-footer in the middle of the building. So 1, 2, 3, 4, those sections will be covered with a board. And then I'll put a short one on each end. So that way my seams will be staggered all the way down. So I have some big news for the channel. By the time you see this, this will probably be my 1-year anniversary of being on YouTube. I think it was February 4th of last year when I had my very first video published. First time I've ever videoed anything, first time I've ever edited anything. All of this 100% brand new. So it's been a learning curve, to say the least. I've been blessed to be able to do this. I've been blessed to have the best subscribers on the planet. I should probably stop saying that. You're just gonna let it go to your head. Next thing you know, you won't talk to me anymore. I finally got a new blade for the old circular saw. Yeah, the old one was worse than I thought. Can you see this right here? Right here. That's a nasty one right there. Can you see that tooth? It's all chipped off, broken off. Ooh, there's a few nasty ones in a row right there. I know some of you detail-oriented watchers have mentioned this in the past. Say, hey, I think you need a new blade there. You're absolutely right. I did. Actually, this is more of a framing blade. I purchased more of a finishing blade. It supposedly cuts a little bit smoother, doesn't leave the ratty edges. And last but not least, I got a new toy. Check that out. Battery-powered finish nailer. I'm really happy with my Milwaukee tools that I have. It all runs on the M18 battery platform. So I can interchange the batteries. Every company has that sort of a thing. They are not sponsoring me. Not that they couldn't. Milwaukee, if you're watching this, give me a call. Thank you. This shoots 2.5-inch finish nails. The thing I like about this is the nails themselves are 15 gauge. Most finish nailers are around 18 gauge. And man, 18 gauge is fine for most stuff. But especially a ceiling, I wouldn't mind it a little beefier. More like a real finish nail. So we'll see how this goes. Those of you who have been with me for the last year, you'll remember that not quite a year ago, a gentleman by the name of Harvey, he's a World War II veteran. He's 101 years old. Not kidding. He donated a couple $100 a year ago, or not quite a year ago, for some new windows in the Ridge cabin. So at some time during the year, Harvey started donating more money because he didn't want me to stop doing this. So he's like, hey, I enjoy this. I took his donations and I bought this. Thank you, Harvey. I do appreciate that immensely. Okay, well, let's get this new nailer, put it to work. I'll let you know what I think. My first impression, solid, which also means it's a little bit heavy. But I got to remind myself that this is not just a tool. It's the tool and all the hose that you'd normally be struggling with. So lifting this up in the air doesn't seem so bad if you're dragging a hose that's hanging down from the ceiling all the way to the floor. Relative to that, not that heavy. Okay, let's get some blue pine on that ceiling. Okay, as you saw, I traced around that post up there. What I'm going to do, instead of actually cutting on those boards first, I made a little template of sorts, just a little throwaway piece of wood. See how this works. I tried it out. I'm going to have to edge just a little bit off of here. You probably also saw that I sprayed some spray foam up above that first board up there. I don't know what the numbers are, but I would guess 80% of the heat is lost in the top 20%, especially a vaulted ceiling like this. So I just wanted to tighten that up into the deep corners as much as I could. Once that top row is on, it'll be good to go. All right, let's use this to cut our boards, put them on the ceiling, and get back to work. Okay, I gotta be straight with you. I messed up. Did you catch it? I don't know if you could see it on video or not. What I did, when I cut that second notch for that big post up there, I accidentally grabbed a board that had been pre-cut for that end of the building. So it was just a few inches shorter than what I needed. So my seams don't match up like they should, as you can see, but that's okay. I'm not gonna lose any sleep over it. Okay, let's keep going on this. Oh, I wanted to make a point of talking about the nails, more specifically the nail holes. I am not concerned about hiding the nails or even filling the nail holes. I'm not gonna do it. I didn't fill any nail holes in the main cabin on Red Moose Ranch. I didn't fill any nail holes up at the Ridge cabin. No one can even tell. I mean, you really have to look hard to see the nail holes. So I'm not worried about that. This is gonna look nice. You excited? That's what I thought. Well, if you said to yourself, I bet Patrick's eating bear chili, you're absolutely right. I made a fresh batch a couple weeks ago. Put it in the freezer. It's delicious. Well, let's get back to work.
When I was young, my daddy said, gotta keep one eye open in your bed, 'cause there's a time coming when the devil gonna come for you. So my trigger finger, stay prepared. I've got my weapon and I got my prayers, 'cause if you don't run this town, they'll walk all over you. Run out loud, gotta run on. Keep on running till the sun goes down. Run out loud, better run on.
Well, we made good progress today. Check it out. Almost 2/3 finished, probably. Yeah, it's coming along. Looks great so far. I'm happy with it. Got the annoying cuts out of the way. Well, all but one. I still have the bottom part of that post to cut. 4:25. It's still light out. We're gonna finish this up tomorrow. I think I have enough material. Keep your fingers crossed. Get a good night's sleep. We'll hit this early in the morning. Okay. You're still here. Thanks for sticking around. Another balmy day out. As you can see, a lot of the snow is gone. Yeah, it was just about 10 days ago when it was 16 degrees below zero. Yesterday it was 46 degrees. Today I think the high is 43. So good working weather. So let's see if we can finish up this ceiling today. Looking good. So I have one more funky cut on the other side of that post, and then the rest will be smooth sailing. So yeah, let's get going on that one right there. Get that out of the way. That way we can wrap this up. Okay, let's get back to work. Houston, we have a problem. Anybody from Houston? Okay, I think we're gonna run out of material. I gotta fire the estimator. So we have about 5 boards left, and I think we're gonna need about 12. I know, right? What the heck? So I'm gonna have to run to town over noon or something, pick up some more lumber. While I'm there, I'll pick up maybe some insulation for the walls. I have about half of it, at least, on hand left over. So I might as well get that while I'm at the store in town. I gotta cut around that beam up on top on both ends. At least it's not a round hole, so that's a little bit easier. Well, the estimator's out of a job, but the installer has to keep working. I'm back. Okay, I got 8 more boards right there. I need, according to my math, I need 8 more boards for the ceiling. So no overage, no waste. I better get this right. We have 2 courses here, 3 courses over there, 2 courses over there, and 1 right there. That's 8. Let's get this wrapped up. Well, the blue pine is on the ceiling. Check it out, huh? Oh, if you're asking about that little gap that's right underneath that ceiling, here, let me show you. So the wall is actually proud of the ceiling. So it sticks out farther. So the wall boards, as you can see, will cover that up. And then on top of that, I'm gonna have a corner trim. What do you think, huh? Gosh, look at that character. Wait till I oil it, then it'll really pop. Man, some of these boards are just spectacular. Check that out. Before you go, I told you that I would let you know what I thought of this nailer. Overall, thumbs up. The only beef I have with it is this little on-off switch. And it's also a mode for single shot or hold the trigger down and repeat. Well, every time you start it, you have to redo the mode in order to get the repeat mode. So it's kind of annoying that you have to push the button every time. But that's okay. Outside of that, I'm real happy with it. Can you see that? 2 out of 4 on the battery indicator. That's the only battery I had for the whole ceiling. Obviously, that's as much to say about the battery as it is the tool itself. They make several levels of batteries. This is not the most powerful one, but this is a good one. So I will put a link in the description below if anybody's interested. If you're not, so be it. The ceiling is done. I gotta go clean up that mess in there. Okay, next time we'll either get going on the handrail or maybe put insulation in the walls, or we have a bunch of trim and other little things to do and get caught up on. I'm not sure. So I think it would be in your best interest to come back next week to find out. A great idea, right? Well, thanks for tuning in. I appreciate that. If you like this sort of thing, hit that like button. And if you don't like this sort of thing, why are you watching this? Okay, take care of yourself. We'll see you next week.